Hey, this is Sharon from Cold Creek Nurseries. Just wanted to show you a new plant that we had come in, and I can butcher it and say it's a schizophragma hydrangea, but an easier thing to call it's a false hydrangea. And this is a proven winners plant called Flirty Girl, but you know I love the names they give these plants. If you've ever had a climbing hydrangea, you know they take a really long time to ever bloom, and some never really produce any blooms. With Flirty Girl, you get blooms every year. You'll be able to see that she's already setting all her little buds right here to bloom. It's a creamy white, it's fragrant. It will climb easily on just about anything. It can get 20-30 feet climbing, and it is just a beautiful plant. It does take part shade, it'll take full shade, so this is something that could brighten up a dark area in your garden or a trellis, a wall, an arbor, whatever you want to put it on. So come on down and check out our Flirty Girl.